In this math tutorial video, I'll be showing all of you how to solve a number by using prime factorization. In my previous video, I have already shown you how to differentiate between a prime number and a composite number. So on the board here, I have written the first 8 prime numbers. So it's essential for all of you to remember by heart. When we solve by using prime factorization, we need to know the first few prime numbers. So for prime factorization, there are 2 methods. The first method is what we call the step ladder method. Okay, for this method, we need to draw 2 lines, one horizontal and one vertical. Say a question is given to you, solve 150 by using prime factorization. So 150 is written above the horizontal line to the right of the vertical line. We know that 150 is an even number, so it must be divisible by the first prime number, which is 2. So we write the number 2 here. It's essential to know that all the numbers to the left of the vertical line must and always be prime numbers. So how do we read this? 150 divided by 2, which gives you 75. Draw another vertical line. 75 is an odd number and the last digit is 5. So common sense tells us that this number is divisible by 5. So we write 5. So 75 divided by 5 gives you 15. So 15 is either divisible by 5 or 3, which are both of these numbers are basically prime numbers. So it's up to you. So let's say I write it number 3. So 15 divided by 3 give you 5. Let's extend this line here. So 5 is divisible by 5, give you 1. So for the step ladder method, our goal here is, by using the step ladder method, the last number must be digit 1. Whether the number is odd or even, the last number must be 1. So how do we write the answer? 150 is equals to, see all those prime numbers? Write it down. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Please make sure that when you write the answer, all these prime numbers or prime factors must be in ascending order. So for us to see the answer to be neater, right? We can also write the answer in index notation. So how do we do it? We have 2 multiplied by 3. Since we know that there are 2 5s, so we write 5, the prime factor, to the power 2 or index 2. So when we solve 150 by prime factorization, this is what we get. The second method is what we call the tree system method. Right? Let's see another example. Let's have an odd number, a much larger odd number. Let's say we have 3,465 solved by using prime factorization. Since it's a large odd number and we know that the last number is 5, common sense tells you that it is divisible by the third prime number, which is 5. So we draw 2 lines beneath it. We have 5, and what is the number multiplied by 5, which gives you 3,465, which is 1,155. Repeat the step for the next number. Draw 2 lines. Alright, 1,155 is divisible by 3, which gives you 385. Similarly again, 385 is divisible by 5, give you 77. And 77 is divisible by 7, which gives you 11. So please check. And you can see that all these numbers are prime numbers. So circle all the prime numbers. And how do we write the answer? We have 3,465 equals to, right, in ascending order, we have 3 multiply by 5, multiply by another 5, multiply by 7, and 11. Again, it's better to write your answer in index notation. Equals to 3. Again, we know that there are two 5 factors. So multiply by 5 to the power 2 or index 2. Multiply by 7. Multiply by 11. So this is how we solve a number by prime factorization. Happy learning.